Hello guys, welcome to a Super Off 1000 padlock demonstration. Here is a new padlock I bought today. Look at the... It is a blue spot 50mm blue spot 50mm shackle padlock with some really unique keys, guys. Have a look at the keys. Look at these keys. This is what the keys look like. It's got a very cool design, I think, on the keys. Have a look at this. Yeah. This key might be easier to see. There we go. And now, this padlock has been unlocked. There's the keyhole. This is my first padlock like this, and now I'm going to unlock it right here on camera. Oh, and it unlocks. And to lock it, you just turn a key. This lock is key retaining. Very nice padlock. I really like this padlock. This is probably my most favourite padlock in the collection. A blue spot, 50mm shack. Down here you can see in the keyhole. Again, this is like the padlock DieselDucy have. You can actually see through the hole there. Look. Can you see that, guys? You can almost see through it. Pretty cool that is. This is one of my most favourite padlocks in the collection. This is a satin finish padlock. Let's do it. Let's unlock this padlock 10 times. Wow, this padlock's cool. There you go. This is padlock. It's greasy. I'll unlock this padlock a few more times. This key is hard to do. You have to pull up on the shackle to unlock the lock. Then to lock it, you just simply turn the key. Again, this lock is key retaining. I could not take the key out while it's in the lock. This is probably one of my most favourite locks in the whole collection. I really love this lock. I've only got one of these that you have to pull up on the shackle. This is one of my, perhaps the best padlock you can ever buy on the market. This is better than the best lock, guys, believe me. Again, this lock is key retaining. I cannot take out the key while it's in the lock. How cool. One more time. There you have it. My new blue spot. My new blue spot. 50mm satin finish padlock. Thanks you very much for watching this video.